In the next few minutes, you'll understand how to find the equation of the normal to the curve at a given point. Here we have the curve y equals x squared minus 5x at the point 6, 6. Let us quickly recap what the normal is. So I've made a sketch of the curve here. So the curve is y equals x squared minus 5x. So this is the curve drawn here. Now at the point 6, 6, on the x-axis we identify 6, and on the y-axis we identify 6. So the point is exactly at this point here. Now we first draw the tangent, which is a straight line that touches the curve at the point 6, 6. I'm going to label the gradient of the tangent m. So if the gradient of the tangent is m, it means that the normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore the gradient is going to be minus 1 over m. So let us first find the gradient of the tangent, which we can use calculus to do that. So dy by dx equals to 2x minus 5. So at the point x equals 6, we can find the numerical value of the gradient. So at x equals 6, dy by dx then would be 2 times 6 minus 5, and that's 7. So the gradient is 7. So m here is 7. So it means that the gradient of the normal then is going to be minus 1 over 7. So we can write the equation then of the line, of this line, because we have the gradient. It's a straight line. So we would have y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. We can simplify this to write y equals to m into x minus x1 plus y1. So we can write the equation then. So we have minus 1 over 7 as m into x minus x1 here, which is 6, plus y1, which is 6. So that's the equation of the normal. Let's have a look at another question. So here we want to find the equation of the normal to the curve given here at the point 4, 12. Let us write the equation. So we have y equals x squared minus 8 over root x can be written as minus 8 times x to the minus a half. So we can find the gradient then. So dy by dx equals 2x, and then we have minus 8 times minus a half x to the minus 3 over 2. We subtract 1 from minus a half there. So what we have then is we can write 2x plus 4x to the minus 3 over 2. This can also be written as 2x plus 4 over the square root of x cubed. So at the point at x equals 4, we can find the gradient. We can write the value of the gradient, which is dy by dx then equals to 2 times 4 plus 4 over the square root of 4 cubed, and that gives us 2 times 4, 8. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8, so 4 over 8 is a half. So what we have there is 8 plus a half, which is 8.5. Or we can just write 17 over 2. So we have found the gradient of the tangent. So we can write m at tangent. The gradient then is 17 over 2. The tangent there. So at normal then we would have minus 1 over m for normal, and that would be minus 1 over 17 over 2, which is the same thing as minus 2 over 17, and that's at normal. So the gradient of the normal is minus 2 over 17. Therefore we can write the equation then as y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. We can simplify this to write y equals to m to x minus x1 plus y1. So we can write the equation then as the gradient, which is minus 2 over 17 into x minus x1, which is 4, plus 12. Okay, so that's the equation of the normal.